This project's done, and it's been a long one, but I hope you look at the results and think it was all worth it. Plus, once again, you've learned a huge amount about sprite kit, physics, blend modes, radians, and CG float. You've got the firm foundations of a real game here, but there's lots more you can do to make it even better. And remember, anyone can sit through a tutorial, but it takes actual work to remember what was taught. It's my job to make sure you take as much from these tutorials as possible, so I prepared another short review to help you check your learning. You can find a link to this on the main Hacking with Swift review page. Once again, it's time for your challenge. One of the best ways to learn is to write your own code as often as possible. So here are 3 ways you can put your newfound knowledge to use straight away to make sure you fully understand what's going on. First, the pictures we added to our asset catalog have other ball pictures rather than just ballRed. Try writing code to use a random ball color each time you tap the screen. Second, right now users can tap anywhere to have a ball created there, which makes the game too easy. Try to force the Y value of new balls so they're near the top of the screen. And third, give players a limit of 5 balls, then remove obstacle boxes when they're hit. Can they clear all the pins with just 5 balls? You could make it so that landing on a green slot gives them an extra ball.